Hi there, I am Becky Amble, and I want to show you something that I'm not sure if it's actually an AI tip or not. I guess kind of is because I was using AI. And I don't know about you. I have had a few times where I've had something that was a PDF and then I wanted to edit it. And I had created it in such a way that once it was in the PDF form, it wasn't going to be easy to revert to what the original form was or whatever. So I went on the hunt trying to figure out what can I do to convert a PDF. And there's converters and you can buy Adobe and all that stuff. And almost everything that was a converter, I had to either sign up for a trial or sign up for it, do a trial, do a download, do something, put in my credit card. And I thought, no, I just am working on my mind map toolkit. I don't want to do all that. I don't need to, at least right now. I just have one thing I want to get done. But I did have several different pages that were PDFs and I needed to get them a little bit of tweaking. Okay, so here's what I want to do. I want to show you how I did that. And this was, I thought, awesome. Anyhow, let's go share the screen and I'm going to walk you through what I found, which was my favorite solution. And there's numerous solutions. Anyway, my solution that I found was to use Canva. And lo and behold, the original document, well, here's one you can see. I'll just show you that. This is my cover page for the toolkit, the mind map toolkit. Okay, if it'll wake up. All right, so that's my cover page. Okay, and I found that in Canva. And then if we can go back, hopefully I can do this. And then I found this, well, I'll show you this template kind of, this is one that I've already used, obviously. And you can see, I'll make the page bigger so you can see a little bit more. All right, so there's a template. It had a heading and put things in categories and all that kind of stuff. All right, so there we go. Well, then I got to the point where I decided some of these I had not put a copyright statement on. And that was one of the things that I wanted to fix. So here's what you do. You go over to your PDF. You don't even have to open it. But watch this. This is the slickest thing. So you're going to take it and you're just going to drag it and drop. Look at how slick is that? Can you believe it? I was just getting wild thinking this was so exciting. So here you go. And here is my document, and it's the quick start template. So what I wanted to do, and again, I'm going to have to make it a little bit bigger. And what I wanted to do was down here, I wanted to rename this. I'm not going to give them the feedback right now. Go away. Okay, so right now I can get in here and I can say, change this to copyright mind map tool kit, and I might put my name in there. All right, we are good. And other than the size, whoops, spell my name right. And other than that, I will go and I will resize some of that, shrink it down a little bit so it's all on one line. There we go. I am good to go. How hard was that? Was that just the coolest thing ever? Now I'm going to show you a couple things. You can go here to your share and you're going to go over here to download if you haven't used Canva, and I bet a lot of you have. So you go to download and then you decide. And here's one thing. If you get a PNG, then it becomes an image. So now you've already gotten rid of the problem of having a PDF. So you decide what you're going to do. Anyway, so I would say I would do a PNG and then I will download it and then it'll come up and I will tell it where I want it to go. And so I'll just go over here momentarily and I'm just going to save it. Come on, open the file. All right, so here it is. And I am going to save it. So I go to File and go to a Save As. And this is where you get to decide PNG or JPEG or whatever. And according to my designer, he said PNGs are easier to work with. And so I'm going with that. And I save it as a PNG. And then I decide where it's going to go. So just out of simplicity, let's go to artificial intelligence and let's just save it right there. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is, for me, what I like to do, you can do an import. Like, let's just go to Word. Let's go get a new Word document. And there's a couple different ways that you can do this. You've seen my mind maps, and you can go and you can do one thing. You can do an insert, and now it's a PNG, so you can do a picture, and we'll go find it. It's on this device, and it's in artificial intelligence. And if we do it by date modified, it should be the top thing. Okay, there it is, and put it right in there. And then I can resize if I want to resize it. How simple is that? Is that really cool? The other thing that I do, because I am a little bit too goofy on some of this, is I might go over to the image, depending, where is it? Okay, well, what I might do is if I had the image up, which I don't have right now, is that, okay, there it is in Paint. And I could always reduce the size of this. Come on. And enlarge my page so I got more of a page. I can go like that if I want, because you know me, I do like my snipping tool. I could go get my snipping tool, create a new one, and then I could go snip it. Take that. I like that idea. I can always copy this or save it and import it again, but otherwise I can copy it. And let's just show you how that works. And we'll go find a new page here. Okay, here's a new blank page in Word, and you can just do a paste. And again, there it is. It's the same basic thing. It's just a matter of how you like to do it. Resize it. Well, there we go. Something like that. Good to go. Now, I just had to share that with you because it's sort of AI, or at least I was working with my AI tools here to get to that and wanted to share this with you because I thought this was really great. So remember, you can take your PDF, pull it into Canva, and then edit and save yourself some headaches. That was my best solution after looking at about 5 different converters and not wanting to sign up for them and set up the whole process. See what you think. And I was just so pleasantly surprised because I use Canva now and then, not a whole heck of a lot. I'm not a big fan on it because I wish it did more things automatically for me. And so I don't use it a whole ton. And I'm just now really excited to think I can use that to convert PDFs and then I can put them all into Word documents. And now I can have a 20-page document instead of a whole bunch of different PDFs. See what you think. Let me know if you use it.